Hey everybody, happy Wheel Wednesday. It's Vinnie with Cosmis Racing Wheels. And guess what? We just got a container in. Let's go check it out. So this is our warehouse. I'm sure you guys have seen it plenty of times, but it's always special and fun when you get a delivery. I don't know if you've ever seen this before, unless you watch our other channel, Import Image Racing, on YouTube. So you should check it out with the host, Josh, funniest guy out there. So every month we get a couple containers to get the wheels that you want to outfit your cars. And it's not the easiest thing. As you see, this truck is huge. A lot of wheels in there. I'm gonna say 20 pallets, 25 wheels per pallet. You do the math. That's a lot of wheels, which fills this whole warehouse up every month. We get about 4 of these a month, anywhere 3 to 4 a month. And it's gonna be happening from now into the end of the year. One thing we could do is we could open up a wheel. Let's see, we have a lot of, let's go this way, come on. I love this wheel. We're not gonna open up this wheel because I feel like if I open up this wheel, one of you guys aren't gonna get the wheel because these are gonna go out. The MR7, awesome wheel, beautiful wheel. Here it is, R5. Should we open up this wheel? You guys wanna open up the MR5? Let's open up the MR5. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little platform for us. Now, oh, already open. Makes my job easier. So I don't know if you know this, but I'm not the skinniest guy that works here. And we keep our area in the back about 72, 73. And right now it's about 95 in this warehouse. So enjoy watching me sweat. So we're gonna open this up. This is, I can't find it. All right, this is an R5, 18 by 9.5, 120 by 5 with a 25 offset. Let's take this wheel out. Now, one thing I love about our wheels is when you get it, it's packaged well. When our wheels ship from Cosmis, you get 2 wheels in a separate box, then it has this box, and then it has these inside linings. So in essence, you have a triple box per wheel. So it's the safest way for you to get your wheel. Always a rubber, plastic wrapped around it, not a rubber, plastic. And then you have the Cosmis pullback, not a hairnet. Check this thing out. Tell me that's not beautiful. Now, one of the things about our wheels that I want you to take a look at is you'll notice there's a ribbing here. The ribbing is made for structure and it's supposed to make these wheels a lot harder to break than your typical wheel. This way, for you guys that drift, you could smash and beat the hell out of it and hit a curb and typically wouldn't break where your average wheel would. And you know what? It's too damn hot in here for me, so I'm gonna leave here. I hope you guys take the time to look at the R5. We appreciate you. If you get a chance, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, and our Twitter. It's Cosmis Racing USA. And check out our other channels, Import Image Racing and Silvers North America. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you next week.